to my channel. This is Ariana with Bling Diva Boutique. I'm a paparazzi independent consultant. I am a director with the company, and I wanted to bring to you some information today on what exactly is paparazzi and how you could join. So paparazzi is an amazing company. It is an accessories company. It sells not only jewelry for ladies, but also for young girls, as well as hair accessories. They bring an affordable product to everybody that is fashion forward, trendy, top quality for, most items that you can find out right now that are more expensive. This company brings it to you only for $5, ladies. $5 as a customer, you get each piece, which is amazing. And I can tell you from being a customer for a while before I decided to join, the quality is amazing for what you're getting and the price that you're paying. The quality is amazing. But if you're interested in becoming a paparazzi independent consultant, or if you want to begin your journey in finding a way to provide for your family as well as stay at home, this is definitely an opportunity for you. Like I was saying, paparazzi is an amazing company. In order to sign up, all you have to do is locate a sponsor. All my information will be down below if you're interested in speaking to me further or anything like that. But you have to just sign up with a sponsor who guides you along this whole entire process, lets you know everything that you need to know so that you can succeed with your company as well. Also, there are 3 different starter kits that you need to purchase in order to become a paparazzi independent consultant, and they start at, I believe it's $99, and that is the lowest starter kit. And as of right now, if you're watching this video during the month of January 2018, purchase a starter kit. During this time, you will be receiving free jewelry, guys, free jewelry in every kit that is purchased. So there are 3 different tiers. There's the $99 tier, there's the $299, and then there's the $499. Each one comes with everything you need to start a business. The difference in price is the amount of jewelry that you'll be getting in each box. You get jewelry, you get all the things that you need, like literally, and more to start a business from home. Okay, guys? This is $99 and you're up and running right from home, from your cell phone, from wherever that you decide that you want to run this business. You're up and running with that low-cost starter kit. Once you start, you're welcome to sell your jewelry wherever you would like, guys. I've chosen to sell my paparazzi jewelry on Facebook. I find it super fun. I find it entertaining for not only my customers, but definitely for me. I have an amazing time. Although being live on Facebook can be kind of a deterrent for some people, that is not the only option. You can sell at basket parties, you can do vendor events, you can sell to your neighbors, you can sell to coworkers, you can have a little shop in your home that you invite people to come over and shop. You can exclusively do album sales online. You can do whatever you want. And guys, you get a free, and I'm talking about free to you, no cost at all, 0 cost, a free website that is yours with your picture and your story on it, okay? And anybody can shop on there. It is like every other website online today. You can shop, look at all the brand new jewelry, and check out right from the website, which is an amazing thing to have for free. Paparazzi provides that to you as you sign on. A lot of questions I get is basically the Facebook, going live on Facebook. They're nervous, they can't do it, and I'm letting you guys know that doesn't even have to happen. You never have to go Facebook Live, although I do encourage all my teammates signing on to go Facebook Live, because you have an audience that is in a huge abundance, I would say, and there's so many opportunities to meet people online that you wouldn't have normally met in person. Although there are many successful paparazzi businesses that don't do Facebook at all, I just personally just absolutely love it. I think it's a hoot. I think it's fun. And I was definitely a shy person before paparazzi, so Going Facebook Live for me was a big thing, and I'm telling you, ladies, it has paid off. So once you sign up with your kit, you found your sponsor, you sign up with your kit, whichever one you choose, you will get a confirmation letter, and you can start selling right away. I mean, right away. Your website is up for everybody to look at and check out immediately before you get your jewelry. You can start creating your all your avenues of your social medias, your contacts, everything like that. Your business is up and running as soon as you hit that sign on button, and you can start selling immediately. Guys, it is super easy to join. It is only $99 if you choose that kit, which I always recommend the $99 kit. It is super economical, and then you can go ahead and get to pick your pieces from then on, because in the kits, unfortunately, you don't get to pick your pieces, even though they're amazing. Every kit comes with a set of amazing and beautiful pieces of jewelry, but you don't get to choose them. So I always recommend the $99 kit so that you can go ahead and choose the rest of your shop's inventory, which is really fun too, because you get to shop through jewelry. And not to mention, ladies, that as a consultant, you get to buy all the jewelry for your inventory at $275. So you're no longer paying the $5 that as a customer you would have to pay, but the $275 at wholesale price. So as you sign on, like I said, with your kit, you're already signed on. There's no waiting period. There's no quotas. There's no amount that you have to sell. There is nothing that says you have to sell that month. The only thing that is mentioned is that being active, and the term being active simply means by purchasing 25 pieces per month, you will be in the consultant locator, which is absolutely great to be in. But if for some reason you can't purchase the $25 a month, there's nobody telling you you have to. That doesn't mean that you're not a consultant anymore. It is a really, really amazing company in that way, that there's no pressure put on you. This is really a business where you buy your pieces, you sell your pieces, and you work your business the way you want. Of course, there's some things that you're not allowed to do, but it's very trivial in comparison into all the things that you're allowed to do. Personally, I do Facebook Live, like I said. I also do vendor events, which are super fun. You get to meet customers in person. And like I said, it's super simple. It's easy cash in your hand. It is a 45% commission, which is one of the highest commissions paid to independent consultants. And just so that you're aware, the company does not pay out commissions for any inventory that you purchase for your shop. So how that works is you sell your product, you get the cash in your hand right away. No ifs, ands, or buts. So you're getting that money right away. The reason why they say 45% is so that you as a business owner can continue to run as a business owner. Okay, you want to take that 45% commission for yourself as a pay for working your business, but the rest goes back into your business for new jewelry, for shipping items, for new pieces of equipment to make your shop better, or whatever the case is that you're needing that month. That extra piece goes to that, so that you can continue to run your business. It is successful, and you never run out of inventory or any things that you guys need in order to be up and running. Okay, so it's really important that you only take that 45% of the commission, so that you can stay in business every single month, and your customers can have the latest, the greatest, all the fresh new pieces that are available. And that's basically it, you guys. I can't tell you enough amazing and awesome things about this company. It is so easy, you guys. It is so easy to be part of this business, to sell paparazzi jewelry. It sells itself. Once people see it, they get excited. They cannot believe it's $5. I've been to several vendor events where people looked at me like I was completely insane. Like, you're literally selling $5 jewelry. How are you making money? And those same ladies have joined on with me, and now I have a team of growing consultants under me, and I'm super proud of that. And you can have the same. Not only do Do you have, your inventory for your shop, but you're also able to make even an additional income per month, which is paid through the company as a commission, a team-based commission. If you decide to start building a team with Paparazzi, which means to essentially sponsor other new consultants coming on and teaching them all the things that they need to know to get their business up and running, and to guide them through the process, you get a commission based on your team members, based on how many sales they have, everything like that. It's a great opportunity to make an additional income, even though you're already, you're already selling with your own inventory. So there's two different ways that you can make an income with this company, and I truly, truly love it. I have never once looked back and said, oh my gosh, why did I join Paparazzi? I just think of, oh my gosh, why didn't I join sooner? And I can sit here and say everything, everything's amazing, everything is this and that, but at the end of the day, it is a business like any other. You do have to work it. You do have to put your time and effort in to see the fruits of your labor. But it is a company that works. That's what I can say about it. Yes, it is work like anything else in life, but it is a company that truly, truly works. If you put the time, if you put the effort, it'll work for you. So if you are interested or have any additional questions about becoming a Paparazzi independent consultant, you can comment below or message me in all my contacts that are listed in the description below. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!